In this winter traffic review, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can simply submit a URL and get 100% free traffic daily forever. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out winter traffic, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says it doesn't get any easier than this. Push one button and enjoy free daily traffic forever. No experience, email lists, or tech skills required. Essentially, that's what this is. All you do is you submitted a URL, so like a link to them, and they'll send you free traffic. It's as simple as that. That's like, I don't know how else I can put it. Step one, you grab a copy of this today. Step two, you just follow the simple instructions and you set up your 6 traffic systems here, and then you sit back and you just let the different rotators send you traffic from it. Now, they show you results like this, like money coming in. I don't know if that money is coming from the traffic that they're sending here, so I can't guarantee you that. But I do know that Dawood is into this whole like free traffic. He's done this before. He's had launches like this where he lets people tap into his network of traffic. He's got some little network going on that he uses to drive free traffic, and he's going to give you extra bonuses here that you get when you purchase this. And here's more money that he's made, not necessarily from this system, but online as well here. So, I mean, it is what you get. If you want free traffic, it's going to be up to you, of course, what you do with that traffic. You can get it for a very cheap price. Now, here's something I'm going to show you. When you come to the sales page, make sure you do this. Make sure you move your mouse away. You can get a discount on it. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price. Please give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. Okay, let me go ahead and show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more, and I'll come back and show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
There are thousands and thousands of courses and softwares out there. Done for you pages here, push button softwares there, blogging, content creation, launch jacking, you name it, you've probably seen it. But you know, at the end of the day, making money online really comes down to just one word: traffic. If you have got an endless supply of traffic to your offers, then regardless of whether you're a brilliant marketer or even a not really very good one, eventually you are going to start making money. You see, traffic is so important to making money online that it should never be treated just as an afterthought. It is the lifeblood of what we do in this industry. That's why I've spent most of the past year endlessly seeking out new sources of unending free buyer traffic. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and today, along with my launch partner Paul Talent, I'm back with my best traffic product yet: Winter Traffic. With this new release, you will get to place any URL of your choice in any niche on my brand new traffic rotator, with a completely new traffic source that I discovered at the start of 2022. Almost no one, and I mean no one, is using this source in internet and affiliate marketing, and the traffic is incredibly powerful. All you need is 60 seconds of your time to get set up. This brand new traffic rotator is currently sitting empty, so the first people to act fast and jump on winter traffic as soon as it's launched will enjoy up to 10 times the amount of traffic that people will get who join later. So you really need to take fast action on this one. Every day you leave it, you are literally leaving money on the table. But that's just half the story. Not only will you get your link placed on my brand new rotator, but you will also get to place it on all 5 of my traffic rotators launched in 2021 as well. That's right, your link on 6 different rotators for free daily traffic. Or you can place a different URL on each and every rotator. It's entirely up to you. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Winter Traffic right away. Make sure that your link is one of the first to be added to the brand new rotator. Step 2. Submit your URL in under 60 seconds. And step 3. Sit back and relax as you enjoy free daily traffic forever. But don't delay. If you come back later, you will pay more. And every day that passes will see more people ahead of you on our brand new rotator. So make this the moment that you solve all of your traffic problems in under a minute. Pick up Winter Traffic today and we'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you have access to once you purchase. You have the introduction to it. You submit your URLs, you access the other members area, you test your URLs, you have your other resources here, but it's a very simple system. It's not like it's a big thing here. You just simply submit your URLs to get traffic. Now, they do have multiple upgrades. The first one here says 10 times the results with the Pro version. This one's 47, but you can get 5 times more URLs in the Winter Traffic Rotator, 5 times more in the Christmas Traffic Rotator, plus place 5 more in the Triple Traffic. Like all these different rotators, you can put more links in them. So if you want more traffic, you can get this one. But here's the thing: click the No Thanks button. This is something I know about what he does here. You get a discount. You bring that price down to 27 here. Next one here, this one says become a member of the Elite Academy. Now that's 37, but if you click the No Thanks button, you can bring that price down to 3. Wow, that's crazy. Bring that price way down here. That might be a glitch. That might not be real. I don't know, but bring the price right down there. Next one here is you get 100% resale rights. Normally it's 47, but you can bring that price down to 27 with this. Next one here is done for you weekly campaigns. Normally $97. If you click the No Thanks button, you can bring that price down to 47. And the last one here, it's a total traffic fix. You get 6 times super slow, so 23,000 members. It is 25 sites. It's normally $197. Click the No Thanks button and bring that price down to 97 there. All these OTOs. Oh, is there another one? There's another one. Become a global ambassador. Oh, this is I think one of his high ticket programs. Normally $597 for this. If you click the No Thanks button, you can bring that to $497, so you can still get a discount. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Winter Traffic and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I mean, all traffic is going to be different. It's going to be dependent upon what you do with it, the results that you get with it. So my advice to you always is to take that traffic and send it to a squeeze page, get people on an email list so you can market to them over and over again. What do I like about this? For the price of this, even if you just get like 5 to 10 visitors every day and you're able to build an email list of just a few people every day, it would be worth the price. All you'd have to do is make one sale of any kind of product that you're promoting to make up that purchase. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Winter Traffic, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.